Mastering Hazardous Goods Clearance Regulations and Requirements. Welcome back to our channel, where we discuss all things related to customs brokerage and international trade. In today's video, we'll be diving into the specific regulations and requirements for hazardous or dangerous goods during clearance. If you're involved in importing or exporting such goods, this information will be vital for ensuring a smooth customs clearance process. So, let's get started. Before we talk about the regulations and requirements, let's quickly understand what hazardous or dangerous goods are. These goods refer to materials that possess potential risks to health, safety, property, or the environment. They can include chemicals, flammable substances, compressed gases, explosives, and more. International standards and regulations. The transportation and clearance of hazardous goods are regulated by various international organizations and governing bodies. The key ones include the United Nations, International Maritime Organization, International Civil Aviation Organization, and several country-specific regulations. The UN's Globally Harmonized System. The UN's Globally Harmonized System provides a standardized framework for classifying, labeling, and communicating information regarding hazardous substances and mixtures. It ensures consistency in how hazards are identified and conveyed across different countries. Proper documentation and labeling. One of the most critical requirements for hazardous goods during clearance is proper documentation and labeling. Importers need to provide accurate information about the shipped goods, including their classification, packaging, and hazard identification. Additionally, they must ensure that the packaging and containers display specific hazard labels and markings. Depending on the nature of the hazardous goods, specialized permits and authorizations may be required before clearance. These permits, such as the Hazardous Materials Transportation License or Dangerous Goods Permit, ensure that importers comply with the specific regulatory requirements and safety standards. Safety data sheets, SDS, are another crucial component when dealing with hazardous goods. These sheets provide detailed information about the properties, handling, storage, and emergency measures for specific chemicals or substances. It's essential for importers to obtain and maintain accurate SDS for their hazardous goods. Training and expertise. Dealing with hazardous goods requires specialized knowledge and expertise. Importers should invest in adequate training programs for their staff involved in handling and clearing dangerous goods. By ensuring that personnel are trained in proper handling procedures and regulatory compliance, importers can minimize potential risks and ensure a smooth customs clearance process. In the complex world of customs clearance for hazardous goods, it is highly recommended to work closely with experienced customs brokers. These professionals possess the necessary expertise and up-to-date knowledge of regulations, ensuring that the necessary documentation, labeling, and permits are in order. As we conclude today's video, we hope you have gained valuable insights into the regulations and requirements for hazardous or dangerous goods during clearance. Remember, complying with these regulations is crucial for the safety of everyone involved and the protection of the environment. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of our upcoming content. Until next time, happy importing, and for educational purposes, no affiliation with U.S. government sectors.